Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BAO token, BAO. That is the name of the token, that's also the ticker symbol for this token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the BAO token. So it says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. So definitely be aware of that. This token basically just got listed on CoinGecko within the last few days or so. And on CoinGecko, it has that warning there that they can change tax rates post-deployment. So thoroughly do your own research before investing in this token, because when they have warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it has the potential to be a scam if they can change and alter the smart contract. So be aware of that. Their official webpage is sss.city. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. So if you did want to buy this token, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You would go into the dApps. You would find PancakeSwap, and you would trade your BSC for the BAO token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko. You could find it on their BSC scan, which is on CoinGecko, or you could find it on their official webpage. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we will go over that. According to their BSC scan, so far they have 6,413 holders, 36,764 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token, and a total supply of, that's a million, billion, 10 quadrillion tokens. It's a lot of tokens. So also listed on CoinGecko, they have the price chart, contract address, webpage, BSC scan, Twitter, Telegram, GitHub, and Medium articles you could find on there as well. Now, if you head over to their official webpage, they do have a staking section. So this token offers staking. You can find the chart on there too as well, and a buy on PancakeSwap button. So it says, welcome to BAO. BAO is very happy to meet you again. BAO will update our website 2.0 soon. It will show a whole new side. So it says BAO's goal is to be the #1 meme token. Our strategy is to rise indefinitely, and victory often belongs to the diamond-handed holders. Returning after a year, we made the big decision to change the transaction fees to 0% buy tax and a 0% sell tax. So you may not have to change slippage at all when you buy this token on PancakeSwap, because it says they have no taxes. It says, which leaves a lot of room for growth, and we can minimize for the offset investors in the process of trading costs incurred. As an investor, this is a unique opportunity to be a part of the investment with a good career and great potential gains. BAO is modeling its own independent brand, and the BAO NFT field expands our ecosystem. This will be rewards for BAO diamond-handed holders with our exclusive NFT field where you can participate in various revenue models. BAO Metaverse is currently under construction, as well as the staking system. The lending system development is in progress and will be ready to be introduced soon. Now you can log into your crypto wallet to check. So it says, with the NFT platform coming soon, you can create income with your BAO tokens. So there's not a ton of info, it looks like, on their official webpage. Let's see if I click on staking. That just takes me to a coming soon button, so that's not available yet. So it looks like they're saying maybe you could stake the NFTs. So when you click join us, where does that go? So that goes over to their Telegram. Their Telegram is /Bayao International. And they have 36,304 members. That's a lot of members. 554 online. Looks like this token is from China. I was trying to read the webpage there. It seemed like it was translated. I was having to correct some stuff. There's some typos and grammar mistakes. But now I see that this token, there is a Chinese flag on their Telegram. So that it says it's an international Telegram, though. So it looks like anybody can join. But there might be all sorts of different languages in that Telegram there too. So yeah, on their official webpage, if you check out Medium articles, it takes you over to bayaoworld.medium.com. And basically they only have one article so far. And it basically says the same thing it does on their info section on their webpage. So not much, there's no new information over there. Now their Twitter is at BSC Bayao. They only have 21 tweets so far. It says they are from China. It says that right on their Twitter there. So it says, pinned tweet here, buy back wallets to 100 trillion Bayao for destruction tomorrow. And then they're going to have a Binance Live Ask Me Anything as well. So they do Ask Me Anything, so that's kind of cool. You can check those out. And then they have their BSC scan where you could check out that they did destroy their own coins, and you can verify that for yourself. They have a DEX tools chart as well that you could check out. But now they have the CoinGecko chart, so you can find them on CoinGecko. They might be on CoinMarketCap as well. They also have PooCoin chart on here, and just random. Yeah, it looks like they have their request for CoinMarketCap is on here, so they should be on there, if not shortly. And they have an airdrop campaign where they said there's $5,000 in Bayao to be shared. You could check that out on their Twitter as well. And that seems to be about it. They don't really have any more information besides that. Let's see if they say anything on CoinGecko about this token. No, just basically the same info on CoinGecko as well. So they're going to have NFTs in the future coming out. You'll be able to stake those NFTs. And Bayao, I would assume, implies Dayao. So maybe this is a governance token that's going to imply voting rights in the future as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. Before we wrap this video up here, I'd just like to tell you about today's sponsor, the Beehive multi-token crypto wallet. It's an easy to navigate wallet with low listing fees, low outgoing fees, quick sign-in with added optional TFA for added security. It offers 24-hour support. The wallet supports a ton of coins like Dogecoin, Dingo Coin, Bitcoin, etc. The wallet offers earning features as well, such as Beehive staking and masternodes. All links to the Beehive wallet, including the download link, will be pinned to the top of the comment section down there. So make sure you check it out. Amazing wallet, the Beehive wallet. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.